Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix media keeps stopping error in Narzo 80x. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.